Modern convenience comes from a masterful attention to detail, like the soft close freezer and convertible drawers in this stunningly designed integrated refrigerator. Offering flexible storage options, the expertly engineered drawers slide smoothly and quietly shut for a perfectly peaceful kitchen. Altogether, this Monogram integrated refrigerator is redefined.
Behold, a refrigerator as versatile and limitless as your creativity, with the largest capacity and the most tall storage of any in its class thanks to a versatile slide-away shelf. An under-shelf pan transforms usually empty space into a prep zone, perfect for chilling dough or marinating meats. Full extension drawers let you see every ingredient easily, and a built-in tray extends your entertaining possibilities. A produce preserver extends freshness, and a special seal maintains the right humidity in crisper drawers. To keep everything at the peak of freshness, the Preserva Food Care System offers two separate systems to create the ideal climate for the refrigerator and freezer. An efficient linear compressor keeps it all operating so quietly, you can practically hear your next delicious idea forming.
Honey, door please.
Okay, I'm coming.
1, 2, 3. Wow!